welcome to AutoWorld of Conway, where today we'll be previewing this 1940 Austin Bantam Riviera Convertible. Here we've got her running for you. This car has been in a deep state of slumber since 1981. We weren't able to get this top fastened all the way quite yet, so we're going to let it sit in the sun just a couple more days to see. I want to take some time this morning so that way we can understand her true condition. That way you can decide if this is the car that you'd like to have in your collection. See under the bonnet here, a little 4-cylinder. See if we can get her going here. Oh yeah. It's kind of funny. After awakening this car, she fired up just absolutely amazing. And if I weren't there, I would not have believed it myself. And it started on less than 5 attempts. Engine number, let's see. So it does have door glass that rolls up and down. 3-speed manual shifter on the floor. So I'm 6'4". Normally I drive these cars as part of my video, but I'm going to refrain from that for today. Maybe I can try to squeeze in here in just a moment. The idea of this video is to give you an accurate representation of what the car is, the damage. up. And there we have it. Stalled it, but that's just me. So thank you again for joining me here, Auto World of Conway, where we always have good cars for good people.